Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, July 30th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Boy, I'll tell you, this market is crazy. And I want to simply say, you know, if I start making a lot of predictions, hey, send me email and tell me to shut up. Because I don't think anybody knows for sure exactly what's going to happen. The Dow opened up this morning, then it went way down, then it came back some. Anyway, ended up closing down 31, was basically what I thought it was going to do yesterday, at least in terms of going lower. That I was fairly certain, but it's all over the place and it's really volatile. And yet, in spite of this being all over the place and being really volatile, we had a good day. We made some money today. And I would say that if we have a market that is falling and very volatile and we're making money, hang on to your hats because something is going to happen here. I'm not sure just what it is, but this market is winding up to do something. Anyway, you know, we had negative open trade equity yesterday on the close, and we ended up closing out positive $2,500 in our closed out trades. But what's really exciting is we are carrying positive $7,000 going into tomorrow. And don't ask me where that came from. I mean, it just came out. We had stocks I didn't think anything was going to happen with got really good, and the majority of our trades are positive, and it's a totally different feeling. And this is we're getting this in a falling market, which is really interesting. Anyway, I think it really bodes well for us, and I'm actually looking forward to August. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and this is really, if you like to look at charts as I do, this is very interesting. 3 days ago we had what I called the bull spike down here, and I thought at that point I thought this market is going to go up and take out its all-time highs. And it did rally out of that bull spike very nicely. Then yesterday, it seemed to confirm my prediction up to about the first hour. And then this thing failed. Then it failed really bad. Came down, bounced a little, and then kept going and ended up closing down, I think, around 70 points or something like that. And at that point, I said, hey, forget the bull spike. This market is going lower. Well, it did go lower today. It actually ended up closing down 31, but it was a very erratic kind of fall. The market actually started up going higher, and then it immediately backed off and got all the way down here. I don't know if that was down 100 points. It was down pretty low when it got down there, and then it rallied, and then it came back some more. So this is really kind of back and forth negative action, but it's very volatile. And what's interesting to me is we're making money in a volatile negative market, and that sends a message to me. If we're making money in a volatile negative market, something's happening. I don't know exactly what it is. I don't know what's going to go down here, but I will tell you this market is getting ready to do something, and do something pretty big. So hold on to your hats. We had a lot of interesting trades today, but I'll just show you a couple of them. This first one is in PRTA, that's Prothena, and we had gotten into this yesterday right after the open, and then it turned against us right away and ended up closing against us. It did not look like a good trade, but it gapped up this morning and then really rallied strong. Fortunately, it did back off a little at the end, but we are holding over $1,600 in Prothena, so that looks really nice. We had one other big surprise here today, and that was in YELP. YELP has been a lousy market for us recently. It's just been turning against us. I'm getting very disgusted with it. And today the thing gaps up, and we got in right away. I thought, oh God, here we go, another YELP, get us in reverse. We got in, and it kept going this time, and really moved very nicely to the top side, and we are holding over $3,000 in YELP. So I'm very pleased with YELP today. YELP. Anyway, Trader Bob's happy with carrying $7,000 into tomorrow and making a little money on our closed out trades. Anyway, good day for us in a falling market. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.